Joey! Thank you.
My water Martin, Achakena Gola. Gola was my third born brother.
Alongoni Papa Patron. Anchogo Machogo. Korago Imos. Winter. I go Imos. I recommend.
Thank you. You can go and sit. Yeah. I will delete and get back. Raila Monya Piwani no siepna. Neki to a child. Othon Tathon. Oh, no, you recata. Some of you are not take to Marabete. Ah, Molo. Ah, Luo. Ruth Odinga. Gimeri. Hey, nyate moto tama. Baba Nyasai no heri. Idi Odinga wonu. Idi Irmeri. Imos Gidute, Imos Tobias, Imos Albert. Imos Muodo Galogo. Iwe Nisa Chandria Hinya. Ichandrine Kenya to Kenya no Kanekata. What do you think Chandrine Kenya? Itoki Chandrine Kenya. Ah, that's you. Katakamano. Joey! Give me chame Mari. Mondo Girigen. Alwo give me chame Mari. Mondo Girigen. Sakwa winja malit. Sakwa lo jajuok. Yawa sakwa nyonuru lo nyonuru lo jajuok. Do Raila Ruth Odinga lo nyonuru lo jajuok. I don't want to say much, but I'm going to say this. I was with Raila throughout most of the time. Even when we left Fort Kenya, I was with him. We went to NDP together. And I remember in 97 when he came to Nakuru, myself and the Honorable Ouda now, who used to be my youth, we went to Massive Ferguson and told them we wanted to test their tinga. They gave us the tinga. We went and got him as he was entering Nakuru and took him up to Stay Hotel with the Massive Ferguson tinga. I have been there. In 1982, some of you don't know, you only see me in this siasa. I'm the one of the first women who was said that I was with my brother as he was picked to go to detention. I was forced by the society to be one of the first women exilees. I went living in Uganda, Tanzania, and ended up in Zimbabwe. When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga. I'm just saying this to show you that this was a stoic man. The family has suffered because he sacrificed himself. Some of you are looking here, you don't know what Mama Ida has gone through. I used to know, I stayed with her. Being alone without your husband for all those years, the 9 years, I didn't see people mentioning. Some of these men, my fellow colleagues, even MPs here, to hear just about a cell, I was saying, you know, Raila don't go to Yedonga Jela, he got quiet to Donga Jela, he got shell, Ario, Nyako Chico, Mono de Choko Hog de Joe, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Chandana Kenya Kosoko Chandana Kenya. Nyaka Koro Mogitni up to last minute. Jomoko goga jamani around Raila. To mage nyithind Raila. Sala njiwe mokani salo case. Ne vedo ki Raila kamona mora. Ako na ero kamano. Ako ka ero kamano. Ne okeka. Maurice. Oketa Maurice wadu analuongera ni dia ground and dia ground. No changes in the oketa. Saniti ne ilo chopa iwa ya ground. Chieng ni duoge yuda ground. Oketa ki wanyi neno. Gi Dr. Lunya. Gi wini nyaka wuor. Gazi yango. Onge gi mateki neno nga matuan Raila ka koro nindo pinjo kama okika wondu onge gi mateki. Latego nindo. Wako ni koro baba zigi kwe. Okno yotnwa. Doturwa. Anamor. Natnyuchul bungan laktar wako diga. Ana laktar wati edu jitete akre Dr. Burma wado manikani. Nyamera maruni chanan go India. Ilongo ni beri la chiengu. Wodo tuo ko nyachop. To nyamera kane tuo to monya ya. To openyen pese fenje laktar. Kanyo dinyo oro na ticket. Monda dia red code kaka laktar. Ana wona neno kaka Raila molo digo to. Natiwa digi kwe. And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong. And if it is not strong, if it is not strong, ODM! 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 ODM must unite. We cannot have the ODM in Guinea-Wuko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led by the few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know how we started ODM. ODM in Mala. And we are going to go to any negotiation table with a strong, united, one ODM. That's why I want to beg more.
I now want to take this opportunity to invite my sister